North Carolina bar owners are going to court. They're going to ask a judge to allow them to reopen.
Yeah, now they've been closed for months because of the pandemic, and they've been fighting for weeks trying to get back open. Let's bring in Anthony Costura live in University City this morning. So, Anthony, bar owners say this is just about equal treatment.
That's right, John. And here in University City, there are countless bars, and basically those that don't serve food aren't allowed to reopen right now. But in just a few hours, the state association that represents them will head to court, hoping to force Governor Cooper's hand to let them reopen. More than 1,000 private bars and taverns have fought to reopen ever since Governor Cooper announced they would not be included under a modified Phase 2 plan. They took another hit earlier this month when the governor vetoed a bill that would have allowed them to reopen. Now, the North Carolina Bar and Tavern Association sued, demanding equal treatment. The association president, who's also a bar owner in Raleigh, says they understand the caution during a pandemic, but it has to be fair. Our sister station in Raleigh, WTVD, talked to him 2 weeks ago about filing this suit.
Ultimately, if we can't find any relief through the governor's office, then our only choice is to go to the courts. We believe that bars should be treated just like restaurants and breweries and distilleries. We aren't asking for any special treatment. We're just asking for equal treatment.
Now, that hearing is set for 10 o'clock this morning, and the court will likely make a decision on this sometime next week. John?
All right, so we'll have to wait and see what comes of this. Anthony Costura live for us this morning. Meanwhile, state lawmakers want Governor Cooper to reopen more businesses like bowling alleys and ice rinks. They sent a bill to his desk yesterday to reopen the businesses at a reduced capacity with employees wearing a mask, social distancing, cleaning equipment. Cooper's also facing a deadline of tomorrow on a similar bill to help out gyms. North Carolina is reporting an increase in positive cases for people ages 29 to 45. We've seen many in that age range packing local bars and restaurants around Charlotte. People in Noda and South End told us they're seeing different responses to safety measures.
Some people stand 6 feet apart and some people don't.
State officials say even though the age group 29 to 45 has a lower risk of complications, they can still spread it to high-risk people. Charlotte and Mecklenburg County leaders have talked about the potential of a mandatory mask policy.
We're going to find out starting this afternoon whether that idea will work in Raleigh. Starting at 4 p.m., people there will have to wear a mask in any public space where social distancing isn't possible. But the mayor says that they've only told police to educate people about the order and to encourage them to voluntarily comply with it. Now, the discussion about a mask mandate, it's also happening at the state level. Yesterday, Health Secretary Dr. Mandy Cohen reminded people about how to wear a mask. That's a big issue. People wearing them incorrectly. You can see her demonstrating. She says you want to make sure that it covers your nose and your face. We told you last week that researchers at UNC say that the virus primarily spreads through the nose. It then can move into your throat and lungs. Governor Cooper has been mulling tough decisions like whether to enter into Phase 3 or make masks mandatory. He says that for now, an easy fix would be if people would voluntarily wear masks in public. He also says that he'll wait until next week before making any announcement on the masks. He thinks the evidence is there for them to be mandatory, but he also says it's important to wait. He says that when passing a new law, he wants there to be a lot of thought beforehand before implementing it with the least intrusion on people's lives. The governor's current Phase 2 order expires next Friday. He says sometime next week he will lay out a comprehensive plan as to what is next for the state.